All right, to watch this video for Friday, September 29th. SPY sitting right at all-time highs. We had a great day in the chat room. I'm going to say this real quick. If you didn't hear the video last night, if you buy the course recordings from September a couple weekends ago, 11 hours, our trading course, best course on the planet, as far as if you actually want to day trade for a living and want to learn exactly how, the ins and outs, every part that you need to know. Our course recordings are, they've been recorded and they are available for purchase. And we have decided to make the January live course, which is going to be a 2-day course, free for anyone who buys the course recordings. And we're also having a review in October 21st, to go over what you've learned in the course recordings. We're gonna have a live review, complete with videos, quizzes, and everything. And next year we're gonna probably do that too. So you're also eligible for any review in any future course if you buy this recorded course from a couple weeks ago, and it's full 11 hours. So you might want to grab that, because it's their course in January is going to be probably $2,500, and you can get this. Well, you see the price on the website, you won't believe it, and you're also going to get that January course too, and any future course. Enough babbling by me. I'm going to go over the watch list for tomorrow. AMMA, really nice breakout today. I actually called this long in the chat room, right about here, right at 205-ish. And it went all the way over 3. Very, very proud of that move. It was a huge move. And we're going to watch that tomorrow for a possible red to green for another play. But TEUM. This one's not getting a lot of attention, but it's still interesting to me. There were no trades in it today, but over the 2-day high, over 127, it might take out this high and break out. So that one's on my radar, but I'm not in love with it. HMNY. Man, this thing is on fire. Melissa in our chat room. I got to almost go to 2-minute candles here to show you. Melissa in our chat room posted volume at HMNY. I think it probably looked about like this. And look what happened since then. And it hadn't broken the high, so that meets our Tokyo parameters. If you're in our chat room, you understand what I'm talking about there. And man, the thing just went crazy. So yes, it's stupid extended at this point, but I still want to watch it. It's just been crazy, and it doesn't make sense to not have it on a chart. OMNT, nice breakout off of chart lows here today. We'll look for a follow-through day in that one tomorrow. ACRX. I don't know. I like this over the half. It's got to 450 today. If it gets through 450, might be worth a shot. All right, so we're going to watch that one. ROKU. Came public today. I took one trade in this one today. And I don't know what I made, $700-800 on it. But man, then it just took off. I totally had it off my radar. But look at that. Look at that kind of high of day tight flag right there. And as it broke through the half, it just ripped. Late in the day, I pointed out that this could work through 22 in the chat room, but there wasn't much time left. And if anyone took that, they got a quick $1.50 in the last 15 minutes. If you've watched our Inflection Points webinar, you'll understand why I said, hey, this might work through 22. Anyway, having said that, we have 1 day's worth of trading to go on, but it's a pretty clean trader today. So I definitely want to watch that one tomorrow, see if it gives us any kind of decent setup. ARDM, man, this thing's crazy strong, and then look what happens today. It just does nothing all day, and then boom, in the last like 7 minutes it takes off. And if we go to 60-minute candles, it's still below recent highs around 420, so something's up with this thing, and I definitely want to watch it. If I would have seen it today, and again, this was late in the day, if I would have seen it today, underneath the half right here, I probably would have said, hey, this is a long day-long flag. It's worth a shot through the half, but doesn't matter. That's all, what do they say? If my aunt had balls, she'd be my uncle, right? I wasn't watching it at the time. But anyway, it goes back on watch tomorrow because it's such a strong stock. CDNA had this big breakout. Then 2 days over, already comes down and basically fills the gap. But nice bottoming tail today. That's on long watch for tomorrow. Remember, guys, I'm a day trader, so I'm just looking for ways to make money tomorrow. I'm in cash every night. Every time you hear me making one of these videos, I'm in 100% cash. VERI, another sell-off today. So it's from almost 75 intraday yesterday to almost 35 today. Definitely want to watch that for a potential bounce. MARK. This one is thin, but it's in that artificial intelligence craze, and it gapped up on news yesterday, sold off all day, gapped up on news today, sold off again. Basically, you have a gap fill. I have this on bounce watch tomorrow because it's back down to support. So this one might be ready to turn back up tomorrow, but just know I'm not in love with that one at all. ITUS, huge move here. Huge move from like week and a half, from under $1 to over 5. Now you've got 2 red days on declining volume. I like this one a lot for a turn back up. Might not be tomorrow, might not be, might be the next day, but or it may never happen. As a trader, we always have to have that in our minds, but definitely want to watch that one tomorrow. I like that setup a lot. BLDP, Ballard Power, very strong stock. Now you've got 3 days down in a row, right into the middle of that, what we call the buy zone between the 8 and the 20 EMA. So I think that one might be ready to turn up tomorrow. We'll keep our eyes on it. And FMSA kind of has a little flag here on the daily. If it busts through 5, might be a good trade. That's all I have. We'll find some gappers in the morning as well. Fantastic day in the chat room today, and have a great night. See everybody tomorrow.